Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn about how to create a Python program using file handling. Okay, so in file handling we are going to use binary files here in the program. Okay, so as we are going to use binary files, the first module must be pickle has to be imported. Okay, pickle is a module which has to be imported. Okay, so why are we using this? So in our program we are going to use dump as a function, and which is used to add your programs, add your items to your file. Okay, so to add the items to the binary file we need dump function, and that function is available in pickle module, and that's why we are importing pickle module. Okay, so now in this program we have two parts. The first part is writing data to a file, and the second part is reading data from the file. Okay, so let us start with writing data to a file. Now we are creating a dictionary stud, that is student. Okay, and it is an empty dictionary, so I'm just leaving with the braces or empty braces. Okay, next student is equal to open, so I'm just opening a file. Okay, student.dat, which is a binary file, and as it is a binary file, the opening mode is wb, that is writing binary file. Okay, and then I'm just assigning a string y, the variable ans. Okay, so while ans is equal to y, that is it will become an endless loop until it become any other character, that is y or any other character, whatever it is. Okay, so when it is y, this particular loop will be worked. So what is happening in this loop? I'm just getting information from the user, and I'm storing those information, those data into my binary file. So for that, I'm just getting three inputs from the user, that is roll number, name and marks. As it is a student data, I'm getting three informations, and I'm just adding those to my student dictionary. Okay, and here RNO is equal to roll number, and name is name, and marks is marks. Okay, I'm just adding those informations to my dictionary. Okay, and then pickle dot dump, that is all these informations which we got so far, that is the roll number, marks and name, has to be imported, has to be dumped inside my file. Okay, so that is what will happen in this particular line. Okay, so stud is my dictionary and stu is my file. Okay, so whatever I have created, collected so far, those will be inserted into my file. Okay, and then ans is equal to, I'm just getting one more input. If the user presses yes, what will happen? The loop will continue. When they press n or whatever other character, it will come out. Okay, the loop will end, and finally I'm just closing my file. So this is what, how to write a binary file. Okay, how to write the data into a final binary file. And then next, reading data from a file. So we have written the data into the binary file, and how to get the information from the same binary file. Okay, here I'm just going to search a particular roll number, that is 1003. If that particular roll number is available in my file, it will print record, record found. Otherwise it will print record not found. Okay, so again I'm opening this two file, that is a student file, student.dat, in rb, that is read binary file, rb mode. Okay, then found is equal to false. While starting itself, we are starting with false only. Okay, and if you wanted to change it to true, here you have to make changes. So when found is equal to true, then this if else will has to be changed. Okay, now I'm just printing student details, and I'm giving this in try except block, which you have learned in exception learning. Okay, so which means if that is available, it will print the value true, it will assign the value true, and it will print record found. If not, it has to print record not found. Otherwise you will be getting end of file error. If the record is not available in that particular file, you will be getting end of file error. So to avoid that error, we are putting this in try except block. Okay, so again I'm giving while true, student pickle dot load. Okay, so again the one more function we are using here is load under pickle module. So this function is used to read the information from your binary file. Okay, next I'm starting with if roll number, that particular roll number which we got, which we are searching is 1003. If that is available, print stud, that is what is there in stud, pickle dot load. Okay, and found is equal to true, except end of file error. If that particular data is not available in your file, then found is false, because found is already false only. In that case, it will print record not found. Otherwise, it will print record found, because we are changing the value of found here inside this if statement. Okay, so it will become true when it identifies that particular data, and it will print record found, and that's it. Your student um, file will be closed. Okay, so that's all. This is a very simple program, and hope you understand this. Now, let us run this program by pressing F5. Okay, it is asking me to enter the roll number 1001, enter name, and then marks. So, do you want to continue? I'm just pressing Y. Now, 1002. It is asking me to enter the name. So, I'm just entering the name and then marks. So, now I'm pressing G. So actually here we have given Y or N. Here we are given Y or N, that is yes or no. But other than this, other than Y, whatever you give, it will come out from the program. Okay. And after entering, after getting the details, it automatically goes and roll number 1003, which is not available. So it is printing record not found. Okay. So let us run this program once again. Now I'm entering the roll number 1003 and then the name, enter marks. So now I'm pressing no. Now it will print record found along with the information of that particular student, that is the roll number, name, and marks of that particular student. Okay, so this is how your binary program works. Okay, hope you understand this. We'll meet you in the next program. Thank you. Happy learning.